Need to control crowds or block off areas quickly and easily? This telescopic traffic fence might be the answer. It's a folding, portable scissor gate made from stainless steel, so it should be pretty durable. Think kindergartens, parks, garages, even hospitals and shopping malls, anywhere you need a temporary barrier. The key selling point is definitely its expandability. It's like an accordion, stretching out to create a barrier wherever you need it. This particular model boasts a stainless steel construction, which is a definite plus for longevity, especially if you're using it outdoors. The stainless steel square tubes are about 0.8 inches thick, connected by a stainless steel chain. It looks sturdy enough to handle everyday wear and tear. They offer it in a couple of different heights: 0.8 meters, 1.1 meters, and 1.5 meters. You can even customize the length, which is a nice touch. Plus, it has reflective strips, which is crucial for visibility, especially at night or in low-light conditions. Safety first, right? Mobility is another big factor. It comes with silicone universal wheels, so you can easily move it around. And thankfully, they've included a brake lock, so it stays put once you've positioned it. No one wants a runaway fence. The manufacturer suggests it for everything from elevator maintenance to construction sites. It seems versatile enough for a variety of situations. Imagine using it to cordon off a wet floor, direct foot traffic at an event, or even just keep the kids away from a freshly painted wall. Honestly, the stainless steel construction and the inclusion of reflective strips give it a professional feel. It's not just some flimsy plastic barrier. It feels like it's built to last. Overall, this expandable traffic fence seems like a well-designed and practical solution for temporary crowd control and safety. The stainless steel build, adjustable size, and easy mobility make it a worthwhile investment for anyone needing a reliable and portable barrier. It's not the cheapest option, but the durability and features seem to justify the price. If you need a flexible and robust barrier solution, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.